How hectic is that driveway?
In here.
How hectic was that?
I thought I was lost, you know. I thought I wouldn't get stuck there. This hand is painful. This hand.
You always have cameras in my face.
Yeah. In this face. In this face. Look at it. Beautiful. How are you? Come on. Oh.
Oh, the like soy sauce.
Premium setup. So when we get to the camp, you're going to come back and drive the car up and bring all this food up for us, yeah?
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
I think sunset's about 5:30 or thereabouts.
Okay. You're blocking! Greg and All right. On 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait. Come, Dylan. Hurry up.
Dylan on the ground, yeah.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Ah, yes. You need a selfie stick, mate.
Okay. All right. Let's go. So, Andrew, put your hand up. You're going to take the front.
Feel up hills. Hey buddy. Nice to see you. Yeah, I got the 6. Come on Ian, hurry up. Cameraman never dies, but he does get left behind. Watch out!
No, I'm not.
Bibi!
Fun the shit out of me!
Oh, okay. Is that your son?
No, must be.
Watch out! We didn't see, I'll get him.
Everything doesn't fit on your room.
You put it down. Yeah, gotta be, but gotta be. Yeah, I don't do lukewarm. I just can't do lukewarm.
Nice. Jesus.
No, I did not find it.
Nasi goreng, a tasty blend of rice, pumpkin seeds, vegetables, and egg in a mild Asian sauce.
See, mine before, and later on I'm gonna have, I don't know what day.
Are you filming?
No? I mean, yes.
Do you have pigs?
So you need to peg out these two corners here.
I didn't live.
More wind, more pegs.
Yeah, just.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
In this one?
Yeah, I'm a very new member of the nature hike cult. Ben told me that there's a nature hike cult, and I'm now a part of it.
And then there's a Durston cult.
Oh, that's a bit too
what
out of our
A
reach.
Durston.
It's more premium.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, premium. Oh,
Premium.
watch out. Okay.
Spicy, because most Australians are a bit wimpy.
Mate, maybe you watch it. It's really hot, but I don't know if you need any. I haven't got no sugar, but there's a.
It is spicy. Wanna try it?
How's the sandwiches?
There's more water there if you need it.
This is cheese.
Just cheese? Okay. One had that co-worker where they microwave their tuna dish at work.
No, I've never.
And it stinks out the whole office.
Oh.
Is that sticky date pudding?
No, it's not.
Without the sticky date sauce? Mixed with gravy?
Yeah,
Yay!
What is that?
just for you.
Sticky date pudding.
No.
Steak.
I do say no to Barry. I said no to Greg. I said
And
no to
said no
Barry.
to Charlie. Says no to Charlie. Where's Andrew? How's your steak? Is it cooking?
It's still mowing.
Excuse me, I'm doing it.
It's amazing.
I have.
Just sardines?
It is herring.
Oh my god.
Herring in pepper sauce.
Okay,
And noodles.
just the most original.
Very close.
Hey, I feel like I'm in like an ad.
Now her face.
There we go.
Oh, you needed to get me in it.
Okay. I can't see past the red light.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, what's it showing?
The red light district.
Yeah.
Oh, they're looking good.
And the salt and pepper, I've turned them over.
Oh, yuppie, up there. That's looking good.
Right, now the onions are getting a bit crispy.
Yeah.
They could probably go onto the bun.
Onto the steak.
Screw it in there. That screws on there.
Okie dokie.
And then these are meant to be gravity
Gravity fed. You need to hang it up.
Turn it upside down.
Yeah. Hang on.
You got nothing. There we go.
That's what I mean.
They're like worms.
Keep getting closer.
Excuse my bum. Excuse my ass.
Yeah, so you skip Tracy's later.
So you just skip.
Why are you strangling cats? Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Bellu. Otherwise, I'll fall over. You want some wine in there too?
Oh no, I'm good, thank you.
Where do we go now?
Mt Cooke.
Where do we go?
Mt Cooke.
Where do we go?
I said Mt Cooke.
Where do we go?
Mount Cooke.
Where do we go?
Mount Cooke.
Where do we
Mount Cooke.
Where do we go?
Mount Cooke.
Where do we go now?
Soon I'm sure we will be happy.
Everyone's eating their delicious
Thank you.
ramen noodles and stuff. They don't want pizza.
Who wants a piece on the break?
Who's full of ramen noodles?
have vegetarian?
Thank you.
Too late to ask me for that now.
What flavour are you smashing now? What flavour are you smashing now?
So she can sit down.
Close.
Have a seat, have a seat.
Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango?
Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening.
Come on, hurry up, I'm running out of video. Chomp on the other side.
We're not expecting perfection here.
Chomp on that side. Chomp on the crispy side. Eat that. Eat that bit.
You can have a bite and you can go back.
Yeah, you usually have a bite.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah.
Soft and melty.
Muy bien.
Yeah.
It's like warm ice cream.
Don't. Pilar's first crispy marshmallow. How was it? Top notch. Do it again. 10 out of 10. Would roast again. Yay.
She's liking it. Yeah.